Design of control unit. This is very easy. Last one. The control memory out of each subfield must be decoded to provide the distinct micro operations. The outputs of the decoders are connected to the appropriate inputs in the processor unit. The below figure shows the three decoders and some of the connections that must be made from their outputs. See this one. Previously we have seen all these actions. That means in this case design of control unit, how in this case also how we are going to perform that arithmetic logical unit, because everywhere the execution is very, very important. So our aim is to perform or executing of the individual instructions, so whatever the fields we are going to identify, that every logical blocks is used for the execution of the different instructions in the ALU. So that here actions fields, here we are going to observe here, that means micro operation fields F1, F2, F3. So F1 3-bit sequence, F2 3-bit sequence, and F3 3-bit sequence. So if it is 3 inputs are there, so 2 power 3 equal to 8 possible outputs are there. Possible outputs are there because 3 inputs 3 to 8 decoder. Because n inputs 2 power n outputs decoder has. That means 3 to 8 decoder, 3 to 8, same as it is. Every field 8 outputs. Arithmetic logical units, we are connecting only individual inputs. Here AND input, and here ADD and DR2 TS, because F field, that means third binary value means 0 1 1. If 0 1 1 is carries, the inputs are 0 1 1. If it is input values are like this, automatically decoder is at a time enable one output line. Out of available all the outputs, only one line is enabled, remaining all output lines are disabled. That means only one line is active. So that micro operation is AND. So arithmetic logical unit will perform that AND operation. So and what are the fields are required here? AND operation depends upon that situation. AND operation is performed on what are the contents here? Field 2, logic 3. That means field 2, here 3. AND operation is performed. So what are the registers are used for this one? 0 1 1 1. F2 carries 0 0 0 1 1. That means AND operation, రెండు micro operation is generated. That AND micro operation is performed accumulator register and data register. So where accumulator and data register are available in this case, just verify the block diagram. So accumulator, data register, this is the register, this is the register. With the help of these register values, we are going to calculating that AND operation. So after execution, the result is stored into the accumulator. When accumulator will hold this register, arithmetical logical unit will sends one strobe signal to AC. That means a logical strobe initiated. If load signal, control signal is activated, that time only this AC will holds that information like this. Same as it is, F1 field, one signal is add, another one is the data register to transfer to AC, data to AC, like this. Next decoder fields, different fields, PC to AR, DR to AR. Same here in this case. One more operation, just check this one. That means field 1, 16th input, 6th, 5th and 6th. That means DR to AR, PC to AR. Field 1, micro operation field 1 and 5 and 6. Micro operation 1, 5 and 6. That means 101. DR to AR, 110. PC to AR. DR to AR, PC to AR. 101, 110. 101 means 5. That means 110. So select. If DR to AR, if it is carries logic 1, if one is goes to this selection line for multiplexer, this multiplexer, if one is there, this output line is connected to this one. So what are the action will performed? DR to AR. So where is the DR register 0 to 10 bits, that means 11 bits is stored into the address register. This action will performed. For example, if this line is carries 0, what will happen? That means this DR to AR operation is not performed. If it is carries 0, that time it is carries 0, this multiplexer output is connected to this PC. So from PC we are hold that binary values inside the AR register, that means PC to AR. So because we are going to perform the operation PC to AR, this is OR gate. PC to AR means if it is PC to AR action will perform, automatically this bus will carries logic 1, right? That time this line is carries 0. So this 0 goes to this one, the output is connected to this one. PC to AR, either if it is carries 0, PC to AR, if it is carries 1, this DR to AR. So every time this accumulator AR register will reads the information from the ALU to AC or multiplexer to AC. The clock is initiated. After clock signal is received, that time AC is received the binary information from ALU to AC. AR ER holds that 11 bits from PC to AR after receiving the clock, or DR to AR after receiving the clock. This is the way we are going to performing the micro operations inside the computer. So the 3 fields of the micro instruction in the output of the control memory are decoded with 3x8 decoder. So all these fields are above operation unit of this one. Okay, coming to this one. So for the arithmetic logic shift unit, control signals are instead of coming from the logical gates, now these inputs will now come from outputs of AND, ADD, DR to AC respectively. Okay. So up to this one, the total 4 topics are completed. What are the topics here? So one is the control memory, address sequencing, control memory is address sequencing, micro program example, design of control unit. Okay, thank you.